Hi, I'm Christen Keller, and I am the Chief Program Attorney for Right to Bear. I also own my own law firm. It's a multi-state practice that is based in Colorado called C. Keller Law. I get asked often why I became an attorney and why I do criminal defense work. Although it's a pretty complex and complicated answer, I will give you the short of it. I became a lawyer because I liked helping people. I care about other people, and when I was a kid, I very often stood up against the bully for another student getting picked on. I started my career as a public defender, so then I truly went to bat for those who were very often overlooked in the world and in our justice system. I gained a lot of trial experience through that and a lot of just general experience that you would want a criminal defense attorney to have. Not just trial experience, but experience in understanding judges, prosecutors, law enforcement, how to pick a jury. Right before I became an attorney, I spent some time as a jury consultant, which also gave me great insight to how juries think, not just individually, but as a group. Sometimes that mentality of a jury completely changes with those that make up the group of people. And so I know from firsthand experience of being a trial attorney, but then also from the sort of background experience of being that consultant and doing focus groups, what type of jurors to look for and how important it is to get the right group of people, not just the right specific people. As a former public defender and in my experience in private practice and now owning my own law firm, I have based every step of my career on knowing what clients need and how to best advocate for their rights inside and outside of the courtroom. I look for attorneys who have the same attributes as myself and who can also add to our team at Right to Bear and be part of our network. One of the things most important to me is making sure my clients know that they can trust me and they can rely on me, that I care about them and I care about the outcome of their case. For example, when I worked at previous law firms, I had clients tell me that I sat down longer with them than any other attorney they had spoken with yet. I've also had that mentioned to me as a public defender, that I've spent more time talking to the person, the client, than any other attorney they had met so far. And what I learned is when a client knows that you're listening and has been heard, they will trust you. And you can trust me. If I am called upon to help you with your case, and it's in Colorado, Wyoming, or Florida, the states I'm licensed in, you know you can count on me. If you're outside of those states, you know you can count on me as well, because I am making sure that the attorneys in our network are like-minded attorneys like myself, care about you, are passionate about criminal defense, and know how to get the best results inside and outside of the courtroom and will constantly fight for you. I'm here to help you survive the legal system from the moment you call the hotline to trial, if that's what it takes. Right to Bear is here to protect that right to survive every step of the way. I am proud to be a part of it, and I will be proud to help you if called upon.